Alright, here
Ooh! Oh my goodness! What'd you think, Bob?
Alright.
Cold water. He's got a serious face on. Whoa! Your feet are getting buried.
Good job, bud.
Is he walking?
Alright. Good jumping.
Woo! You got sandy feet? Uh-oh, careful, that's a big one. Baba,
Look at Mommy.
what do you think of that water? Is it cold?
It's cold on the toes, Mom.
What do you think, bub? Am I in your way? Alright, here's Ryder's first day at the beach.